launch of the iPhone 15 series draws near, rumors and leaks abound regarding its features and specifications. Among the less discussed aspects is the new a17 bionic processor. In a recent revelation, an insider, tipster unknowns 21 at the rate your Redditor, has provided intriguing insights into the under-the-hood changes Apple has in store. He highlights a 17 bionic processor overview. Apple is set to introduce the a17 bionic processor for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The current Gen A16 bionic chip boasts 6 CPU cores and 5 GPU cores. The upcoming A17 chip will feature 6 CPU cores and 6 GPU cores, signifying a significant enhancement in performance. Clock speed is expected to rise from 346 GHz to 370 GHz, further contributing to the processing power. Enhanced fabrication process. The A17 bionic chip will adopt a cutting-edge 3nm fabrication process compared to the 4nm process of its predecessor. This refinement is projected to enhance power efficiency, particularly benefiting the iPhone 15 Pro models. RAM configuration. Contrary to earlier speculation suggesting 8 GB of RAM for the iPhone 15 Pro, the tipster reports that Apple will stick with 6 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. RAM supply will be sourced from Samsung and Micron. Although the tipster has only encountered 6 GB RAM units so far, the possibility of 8 GB RAM cannot be ruled out entirely. Targeted release and differentiation. The A17 bionic chip is exclusively reserved for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max models. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will utilize the A16 bionic processor, maintaining Apple's tradition of distinguishing between Pro and non-Pro variants. A recent leak suggests that the iPhone 15 series is set to launch in the third week of September, providing eager consumers with more information soon. Conclusion: as the iPhone 15 series launch approaches, the A17 bionic processor emerges as a focal point of anticipation. With advancements in core counts, clock speeds, and fabrication processes, Apple aims to deliver incremental improvements to its Pro models. While the exact RAM configuration remains a point of speculation, the wait for the official unveiling promises to be intriguing for tech enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more updates on the upcoming iPhone models.